This is a quick guide on assembling the HX Nitro 360 mounting bracket. First, disassemble the parts. Use Allen key 1.5 to loosen the screw. Disassemble the parts in counterclockwise movement. In clockwise movement, continue to separate the parts. Insert the small rod to the middle of the removed part. Attach this part to the printer using Allen key number 3. In clockwise movement, attach the locking nut. Finally, attach the remaining parts of the mounting. Make sure to adjust the locking nut in clockwise movement. Then tighten the screw with Allen key 1.5. Use the knob to adjust the position of the print head. For more information, please contact technical@maplejet.com.